Hello lovelies, what's up and welcome back to the channel. It's Macari's Cakes here. I hope you guys are fine. So guys, in today's video, it's more like a continuation video from the previous one I uploaded here on my channel. And this one here is a simple tutorial on how to stack a two-tiered cake using my most easiest method. So if you're really interested to watch the video, I want you to sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the video guys. So like I said before, it's a continuation from the previous video. And here's my whipping cream. It's so stable, perfect, and ready for frosting. So actually, crumb coated the cake. And if you've not watched where I actually stack these layers properly in terms of trimming, stacking, layering, then you have to go back and watch the previous video because it's actually detailed on how I trim the cake, on how I layer the cake, and how I stack them in 2 layers. So if you've not watched it, go back to the previous video and watch, and then come back to this particular one. So right here I'm doing the final coating of the cake, and from the thumbnail you guys already know it's how to stack a two-tiered cake with an easy method. You don't have to do too much while you have to stack a two-tiered or a three-tiered cake. For this particular method, I'm going to show you guys, you can even use it to stack three-tiered whipped cream cake, you understand? So I want you guys to enjoy the video, and I will speak to you guys again much later on this video. One thing about cake decoration is you need to pay attention while decorating your cake. Like I'm using the cake comb now to decorate or to give this cake a design. And for a lot of beginners, they find it so difficult trying to go around while decorating their cake. But I want to let you guys know that this is just the best thing to do. When you're trying to comb your cake, you need to keep on going around continuously. You don't have to be afraid, because the more you go around, the more you get the cake, right in terms of the design. Now if you look at this cake, I wouldn't say struggling, but I was, let me just say I was struggling to get the combing right. If you look at the cake right now, it's not really giving that smoothness on the body of the cake, right? That's because I was suspecting there's something wrong with the whipping cream, but I was trying to manage the situation to see if I can really go around continuously. Now look at the cake, you can see some bubbles on the whipped cream. Right now, when you notice that there's something like this on your cake, just know that you did not whip your whipping cream very, very well. So when I suspected it, I'm like, no, let me see, well, let me just see if I can manage the situation. But I kept on combing, going around, but it was not still giving what I want. Now this is where I was like, no, I need to scrape this up, because at this point it was not really looking so nice again. Like, guys, can you see what this whipping is giving like on this cake? It's not really looking nice. I had to take it off, like scrape off everything, all the icing, put it back into my mixing bowl, and I went back again to whip it up again so that it can give me that texture. Now I'm sure you guys are wondering, it is me, I will not do it too. No, if you don't, your work will look so unprofessional at the end of the day after much effort. So I went to whip it again, I came back, and then I applied that same whipping cream on the cake. And you guys, this time around I got it came out so nice and so perfect. If you look at it properly right now, the whipping cream is looking so smooth, like you cannot even see those bubbles again on the cake anymore. I don't know if you guys have really experienced something like this while you're decorating your cake, but if you have, just try to whip the whipping cream again, and then you're gonna have a good result. So after I've really done that, you guys, as you can see on this cake right now, it's so smooth, there's no much bubbles. Like, can you guys just see it perfectly? It's so nice, it's smooth, it's cool. I had to use the cake comb to go around again. And what about me is that I'm not really scared of going around while decorating my cake, because like I said before, the more you go around while decorating your cake, the more the cake turn out to be beautiful. Can you guys see the cleanness of this cake compared to the way it was? And again, the more you keep going around, you just have to keep on applying cream on those places that the cream is not well covered, just like what I'm doing here in this video. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying, but if you really decorated a cake before, I hope you really get me right. I'm sorry if I'm talking so fast, but I can't really just help it right now. So at this point, I was going round and round and round to achieve that flawless look on the cake. And you guys, at this point, I just felt like, okay, this is actually good. Can you guys see what I'm talking about? It's different from, the way it was before I, took it off. And at this point, I just feel like, I'm good to go with this cake. Okay. So guys, I hope you understand everything I've said here. I just have to share the behind the scenes of this video so that you know that even me that do decorate this cake, it's not always perfect, while working on cakes, you understand. So please, if you've watched to this point and you're not really subscribed to my channel, I beg you subscribe to my channel, like this video while you're watching, like the video, share the video, drop your comments, and let me know if you learned one thing or two from this particular video. So guys, enjoy the video. Okay. So for these gold pearls, I'm using will I call it a bead? It looks like a bead, but it's not a bead, right? I'm going to show you guys what it's looking like. So what I did was just to take it out, and I use scissors to cut it, like cut it one by one. So this is what I'm talking about here. I cut it one by one, and this is the full bead, right? Or gold balls, whatever. So how to I use it to decorate the border of my cake, but for this particular one, how to cut it one by one, and then I put it on the border of the cake. I did the same thing for the top tier. Okay, now for this stacking, make sure that you have doweled your bottom tier and the top tier of your cake. Is very, very important, because if you don't do this step, your cake will definitely collapse while on transit. Do you understand? So it's very important you dowel the bottom tier and the top tier before you now stack it properly. So I was trying to decorate the top tier so that the final method will not have to stack the whole cakes. Don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So right now I have to put a PVC pipe on the top tier of the cake, so that I can now lift it up from there and stack it on top of the bottom tier. Don't know if you guys get what I'm saying. So this is a very easy method when you're trying to stack your cakes. Now I have another method again on how to stack two-tiered cake. It's on my channel, but I had to share this one with you guys so that you will know that there are different methods to this. So that's it for this particular how to stack a two-tiered whipping cream cake. And I hope you got value from this one. So please, if you do, Give the video a massive thumbs up right now, and please let me know in the comment section if you understood everything I said. Please type I totally understand what you said, and please let me know what you think about this cake. Is it beautiful or is it ugly? But I think that it's beautiful now. Okay, let me just know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay joyful, stay fabulous, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.